Morphology of tibia. For some of the features of tibia, it consists of an upper end, a lower end and a shaft. The upper end consists of two condyles, medial condyle and lateral condyle. It has an intercondylar area and a tibial tuberosity. Next, it consists of 5 surfaces: the anterior surface, posterior surface, medial surface, lateral surface and the inferior surface. And it has a downward projection called as medial malleolus. The shaft consists of 3 borders: the anterior border, a medial border and the lateral border. And the shaft has 3 surfaces: lateral surface, medial surface and the posterior surface. Now let's see the side determination of tibia. The larger end is the upper end of tibia, and this medial malleolus, which is a downward projection, should be directed medially, and this should be present at the lower end. And the most prominent border of the shaft should be positioned anteriorly. So this is the anterior border of the tibia. So considering all these points, this is the tibia of the left side. So they should be held with the left hand. First, let's see the anterior view of the tibia. This is the medial malleolus. So this is the medial side, and this is the lateral side. This is the medial side. That is why this is the medial condyle. This is the medial condyle, and the lateral side is the lateral condyle. This is the shaft of the tibia, and this is the tibial tuberosity. This is the medial surface, lateral surface, the prominent anterior border, medial malleolus, the medial condyle and the lateral condyle. Coming to the posterior view. In the posterior view, as you have seen in the anterior, this is the medial malleolus. Here is the fibular notch, which provides attachment to the fibula. And then this is the interosseous border. And here is the tibial tuberosity and the 2 condyles, medial condyle. This is the medial condyle and this is the lateral condyle. Then the proximal view. This proximal view. The bigger condyle is the medial condyle as it is placed medially. This is the medial malleolus, so this is the medial side. The bigger condyle is the medial condyle, and this condyle is the lateral condyle situated laterally. Between the condyles, there is intercondylar area. The area in the anterior is called as anterior intercondylar area, and the area posteriorly is called as posterior intercondylar area. And this eminence is the intercondylar eminence. And in the anterior intercondylar area, this is the tibial tuberosity. Coming to the distal view. This is the medial malleolus in the medial side, and this is the inferior articular surface which attaches with the tarsal bones. So these are the important features of tibia. Thank you.